Welcome in this video. Let's start by unboxing the Pluto joystick. Inside this box, you find the joystick. To power on the joystick, we have a button at the back side. You just have to click the button. The joystick is on. For disarm and arm the drone, we have a top left button for that. To take off the drone, we have to click left joystick. And for land the drone, you just have to click the right joystick. And for developer mode and flip mode, we have button on the top right. For throttle up and throttle down, for your left and your right, pitch forward and pitch back, roll left and roll right. Before using the joystick for the first time, make sure it is fully charged using Type-C cable. Now take your phone and open the Wi-Fi setting. Connect to Pluto joystick Wi-Fi network. After connecting, the joystick configuration portal may open automatically. If doesn't, open any web browser and enter the joystick IP address manually to access the portal. Once the portal opens, tap Rescan. The joystick will search for nearby Pluto drone Wi-Fi networks. From the list, select your Pluto drone, enter the drone's Wi-Fi password. Then tap connect. Please wait a few seconds while the joystick completes the binding process. Once the connection is successful, the joystick is now paired with your Pluto drone. Now let's quickly explore the menu available on the joystick. The first option is acceleration calibration, calibrating the drone for speed. Next is sensitivity, where you can control the response for drone control. The switch assign options let you customize the function of top left switch to enable developer mode or flip mode. Next is head free mode, which changes the drone orientation reference, making it easier to control the drone regardless of its facing direction. Bind mode is used to pair the joystick with your Pluto drone. You can perform OTA update to install the latest firmware. You can use factory reset to restore the joystick to its default setting. Finally, device info allows you to verify your correct firmware version and other hardware details.